Salam/hello, meet doctor? Eat medicines, let's see, thank you. Hello, please register before meet doctor. Normal illnesses meet medical officer or doctor. Bias sakit ringan berpegawai perubahan tal doktor. Referral case see specialist doctor. Okay, it is up to you.
Oh my god. The outpatient. Pesakit Luar itu. Oh, no need to enter a ward. Oh, tidak perlu masuk. Do not worry, jangan risau. After eating medicines, get well soon. Lepas makan ubat semoga cepat sihat, inshallah. Thank goodness. Okay, syukur alhamdulillah sihat. Okay, terima kasih.
Okay, this time, sekian kali ini, may we all be healthy and happy, semoga kita semua sihat dan bahagia. Thank you, terima kasih. Bye, bye.